Hello students, in order to install Canvas on your mobile, as Zarina ma'am has asked you to, you have to first go to Play Store, okay, or App Store, depending on which mobile you are using. So if you are using iPhone, any Apple product, iPhone or iPad, go to App Store, and there would be different procedure for that. But for Android, this is the procedure. I am explaining the procedure to be used on Android phones. So go to Play Store and type Canvas, or directly type Canvas Student. Okay, so that is the app you have to install, Canvas. So this is the app. This is the app that you need to install. This one. Okay. So Canvas Student. Click on this and install. So since I have already installed it, I don't have to install it again. Install this app on your phone, and once you are done installing, open Canvas 2. Once you open the Canvas Student app on your phone, you will get this screen. So on this screen, once you get on this screen, you have to click on Find My School, this blue tab, Find My School. Under Find My School, you have to carefully type Canvas. Okay, please mind the spelling. If you miss the spelling, you won't get it. Dot instructure dot com. Look at the spelling, no extra spaces. Canvas.instructure.com. okay, Canvas.instructure.com, and then you have to click next in this corner. Just type canvas.instructure.com, click here in the right hand corner on next. Okay, once you click on next, wait for a while, it loads up, it takes some time. You will get this screen, email ID, login, all that. Okay, now you don't have account to log in, right? As of now, you don't have any Canvas account. So in order to be able to log in and join any course, you have to first create your account. So there is an option here, need a Canvas account. Click here, it's free. Just click on that. So once you click on need an account, you will get to this screen. Okay, for many of you it might take some time. Wait, do not close the app. Wait until you get to this screen. It depends on your network speed. Then you have to just drag this here, hold it here and drag. So you should be able to see this screen. So sign up now, it's free. Okay, so here you need account as a student. So click on I am a student. Again wait. Now it will ask you for joining code, and the code for your English lab class that Zarina ma'am has created online is, again madam will share this code in the WhatsApp itself. Code is BB capital YCFD. okay, BBYCFD, this is the code. And type your name. So I will type my name, for example, Vikas Kadam. So I need to select username. So I suggest you select your roll number and name as username. So type in your roll number Even if you don't type your name, that doesn't matter, but type in your roll number. Okay, here the full roll number. So type roll number and select any password. Okay, so I am selecting MIT. Let me select. So if I say MITS at 1 2 3 4. Okay, so then again confirm the password MITS at 1 2 3 4. Type in your email ID. Now here you have to type your full email ID, your MITS email ID. Use for safety, use our MITS, because this is, you are using this account for your class work. So use your MITS ID. So I will also type my MITS ID. So class Avninder K at mits.ac.in. Okay, use your MITS Outlook account. Click on this agree checkbox. You agree to the terms and condition. We have to agree to the terms and condition. Click on this and click on start learning. Okay, so username, since I have typed 000, it will not allow me. So I'll type some MITS at 1 2 3. Just for the sake of joining. You will type your roll number really. It will not show for you. It will not show this error. So start learning. Okay, so once you click on start learning, you will get to this screen directly. So English communication, listening and speaking laboratory. So click on this. See, there are all course material has been come to your mobile. So you can look at assignments, discussion, grades. Okay, now the first thing you need to do is click on modules. What modules are there? So madam has created 3 modules for you. So under each module you have some items. So module 1, introduce yourself. Module 2, you have enacting an advertisement. Module 3, vocabulary, collocations, phrasal verbs and idioms. Okay, and under which you have some pages which will explain the topics, which will have some information about the topic, and there are some assignments. So here there are some discussions. So this is self. When you get this icon, this is a discussion. So let's look at the second enacting an advertisement, second module. So once you click here, you can directly go to the module. Okay, so this is all information that you need, that madam must have already explained in the class. Okay, sample advertisement and everything. So once you finish reading this, you just click here on this arrow. You'll go to the next page. Next page is an assignment, or you can simply go back and go to the modules page again, and this lesson 1 we have just gone through. You just click on assignment. Okay, so this is the assignment. All the details regarding the assignments will be displayed on this page. So assignment 1, advertisement poster. So it shows not submitted. I joined this course as a student, so I am also a student. Later I'll ask madam to make me a teacher. So due date is file upload, submission type. So and select any product of your choice and design an advertisement posters. This is a task. So you can submit this assignment by clicking on submit assignment tab. So here is submit assignment tab. Click on this. Okay, and you can choose file. Choose file from gallery, device, camera. So wherever you have saved, so select the file. Okay, so select the file and upload. So this is the same usual procedure that you use to upload any document online, and click on submit. So madam will get your assignments. So this is all. Hope you join the course, and in case you have any doubt, you can message me on my WhatsApp, personal WhatsApp, or you can just drop a message or in our WhatsApp group, in your class WhatsApp group, or you can just ask Zarina ma'am if you need any help. She will help, or she will ask me to assist you with any technical difficulty. Okay, if you follow these steps, you should be able to join. And one thing, if you are not able getting this course, once you click on learn, start learning, I'll show you. I'll log out. So so even if you are not getting directly, yes, so even if your course is not opening directly, you are not getting into the course directly, you will get at least this page. So you just enter your credentials that you use to open account, so and login. That's it. I'll not show it because it's the same usual login procedure. Once you log in, it will take you to your account. Okay, so once you enter your login details, you should be able to go to your dashboard, your course here. Okay, so click on the course, and you will go to the same page. Okay, so this Canvas platform allows you to join multiple courses. See, I have created this course for my first year students. So I am a teacher here, I am a student here, it doesn't matter. Okay, so you can play with this app, and I hope you install the app successfully, create your account, and join the course. You have to join this course, English Communication Listening and Speaking Laboratory. Thank you, all the best.